Hello, my viewers. Good day to you, wherever you're watching me from. This is your friend. Today, we want to talk about a very crucial topic in parenting. And what do I want to talk about? I want to talk about unity in parenting. When I say unity in parenting, I mean unity among both parents, that is, the father and the mother. Unity in parenting is very, very important for any parents that want to raise responsible and well-rounded, balanced adults in future. Oftentimes, when parents are divided in thoughts, in ideas, in training their children, they don't know that these children are watching. So many homes today do not lack love, but the parents in that home lack alignment. And before I continue, I want to say that this series, or this topic rather, I will take it in series. Today I'll be talking on part 1, Unity in Parenting part 1, because it's a topic we need to listen to very well, share our views and thoughts, comment, like, and also share with others if you are learning one or two things from it. So today I'll be talking Unity in Parenting part 1. Like I said earlier, I said many homes today, they don't lack love, but they lack alignment. Children quickly know when their parents are divided, when they don't agree, when they are not united in decision making, when they are not united in disciplining them, when they are not united in setting rules and boundaries. Those children, they know. They learn faster than you can ever think. And don't think that as a mother, by the time you argue with the father about rules, about setting boundaries, concerning your children's discipline, the children are listening. And as a matter of fact, they don't even pray that you are united, because it is in your disunity that they will be able to do whatsoever they like and get away with it. As children, they might not know the end result when they are at their early age, because they are still young. So they prefer that you are not united in training, in discipline, in teaching them values and the likes, so that they can exhibit their real character and go freely with it, even if the characters are not okay. So when parents are not united, like I said, children, three things happen to the children. Number one, children get confused. Why are they confused? Because they receive mixed signals. When the father is saying, this must go up and remain up, the mother feels, why must it be up anyway? And the child, no, because he has noticed the division between you, the mother and the father, may also prefer that thing goes down. And when the child decides to bring it down, if it's the mother that is around there, she might not say anything wrong with the child bringing whatsoever the father says should be up, down, because they are not united. So when parents are not united, children become confused, they become manipulative. No, is either the father manipulating the child against the mother, or the mother manipulating the child against the father's rules and instructions. Another thing that is that they are emotionally unstable. And when they are emotionally unstable, then that creates problem for them, because they must not grow up with that. But when parents are united, when parents are united, there is clarity on the parts of the children. There is no mixed signals. There is discipline, and there is emotional security. So what I'm saying in essence today is that children notice division among parents, and when there is division in training or in parenting your child or children, you cannot get a well-rounded, balanced adults or responsible adults in future as children. So unity in parenting is not just about perfection. It is about consistency in whatsoever you want to see in the life of your child, the values, the discipline, the respect. There must be consistency, and there must be unity between both parents in training and raising these children, so that they can have a better future and become a responsible adults as they grow up. So in my next video, I'll be talking about areas that parents need to agree on in parenting their children, so that they can get the best out of them. So I'll be talking about two areas. Probably I'll be touching unity in rules and principles. I will also be talking about unity in setting boundaries, and talking about unity in values. So until we meet again in my next video, don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this channel. God bless you.